the most loved part of DataHack Summit are the workshops. These workshops would cover a range of topics starting from machine learning, deep learning to NLP and various other things. The idea behind a workshop is that even if you're a beginner or you don't know that topic, in a period of 9 hours, you'll be able to do these workshops hands-on and learn the subject along with a subject matter expert. So there would be experts who will be conducting these workshops and they'll assist you throughout the day, starting from setup of your machines all the way up to either building models or accomplishing something by end of the workshop. We are covering a range of workshops starting from introduction to deep learning, PyTorch, applied machine learning, and various other ones. So even if you're a beginner, you can come and join these workshops which have been designated specifically for the beginners. Similarly, there are some workshops which are expected to be for advanced audience and they have prerequisites mentioned in them. Another thing which I would want to point out, so workshops were the most demanded thing in DataHack Summit 2017. We got much more demand than what we actually anticipated. Looking at that, what we did was the 4 most popular workshops will now happen on 2 days. So the most popular workshops would happen on 24th of November as well as on 25th of November. And there is no difference in the 2 days. The same instructors would be taking the workshops, the same material would be covered in those workshops. The only reason you might see a difference in prices is because of the demand. So you might see one day getting more in demand. These workshops, they are limited in seats. There are limited in quantities of the workshops. So I would say that go and book them before they sell out.